Ready to change your money game? Let's dive in. Welcome back to Money Minded. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Step 1. Track every rupee dollar. Know where your money's going. Use free apps or a simple notebook. You'll be shocked at the leaks. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. It's about freedom, not restrictions. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months' expenses. It's your financial safety net. Step 4. Crush high-interest debt. Focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. Avalanche or snowball method, your choice. Step 5. Start investing early. Even small amounts in index funds or SIPs grow over time. Compound interest is magic. Remember, small changes today lead to big financial freedom tomorrow. Which step will you start with? Comment below. Smash that like button and share with a friend. Until next time, stay smart, stay financially strong.